Yo guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to extend background. So currently we have image with the girl. That girl is smiling. So convert that image to layer, then click on crop. So I have to extend that background, so this will be enough. Okay, now we have white place and we have our background. So I need to fill this part with this orange color. To do that, I have to go to rectangle Marquee Tool and select little line of orange and whole part of white area, and you have to go to edit, fill, then content area mode normal, opacity 100, and press OK. Let's do the magic. So it's this orange part filled with this whole content, so you will see it within few minutes. Yeah, now we extend our image background, and now we have to add some code. So this is the video, and I just add some code here. Okay, great, like this. Nice and easy. So this is today's video. I hope you enjoy it, and I will see you in next video. Feel free to subscribe, comment, like, and